Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Dilzig, good morning. And Maggie C, hello. Good morning. All right. Let's start the show. What's it gonna be? Interesting. Interesting day yesterday. FOMC and everything. Really interesting. I have a small short position opened up before the stream. I don't even know where is it. It's just a very small position. Here it is. I'm targeting 592 down there. There's an Asia low at 578, I think. And if I go down to the 1 minute, obviously it's a low probability trade, but there is a bullish demand zone here. I mean, on order block down there, right after the Asia market open, which makes it a little bit interesting to me. Now, if it would trade below 617, I would just put it to break even and see where it goes, because it's a low probability trade. All right, so that's just it, you know. Naomi, good morning. Good to see you, Naomi. Max, welcome. Hey there. So obviously low probability trade. My stop is at 655. I'm risking about $50 on this trade or something. So perfectly okay. Perfectly fine. It could be just this drop here could be just a bit of a sweep, and then we can go higher. Obviously, we still have the new week opening gap pretty close. If you ask me, I think we're getting pretty close now. It can shoot up any second. I was just hoping for a squeeze to the Asia lows here. That is it. On the upside, other than the new week opening gap, I don't see anything in terms of, you know, zones or order blocks or something that I would like to trade. I mean, to go into as draw on liquidity. Obviously, that's pretty much a big draw on liquidity to get back to the new week opening gap. It could be happening on Friday rally. I'm not saying it will, but hey, we have the possibility. So who knows? Farhad is here. Good morning. Good morning. Let's check on gold real quick. I checked gold as well. Didn't really see anything super special. Maybe this area at 2809. This order block, but it's not really a perfect order block because it's not really shifting structure. So it's not ideal to have it as a possible target. It seems like it's pushing there, but nothing else on the 15 minute. Obviously above that level we have some other juicy targets on the 1 hour. For example, this one. Now this is a nice one. I like this. Okay, I totally forgot to see or check this. No, never mind. This could be also an order block. I don't like the wicks here. But anyway, I'm gonna put this there. You know, just so we will know on gold, and nothing else. Nothing else on the 1 hour. And this is from November 1st. So we'll see. Okay, so I'm not jumping into gold. As an NQ, you know, we're back to NQ. Weak highs from yesterday is an obvious target, then gap test. Yes, that could be also the case. Obviously, yes. Jacques is here. Good morning. And Bowser. Good to see you guys. Let's go. So, yeah, we have weak highs from yesterday. And I know we were talking about which was it? Oh, that was taken out. I like that 674 level for this bullish candle, but I don't know. Hey, 901. Yeah, I'm in a short position, but it's a very, very small position. So very, very small. I'm risking only 1 micro. My risk on this trade is about $50, including commission. And if I can make it down there, I only make about 90 bucks or something. So the only reason I entered is because of this bullish order block here, and we have a market open down there, which was here. Asia market open, spiked lower, bullish order block or demand area. And I thought, why not sweep the Asia lows first and then maybe go higher? But as I said, it's a low probability trade. So if we would trade below 617, I would put it to break even and just see what it does. That's it. Low probability trade. So not risking too much on this. Okay. Okay. All right. Sorry. So for now, that is it. Nothing special. It can also just change direction and start to finally go for that new week opening gap. We'll see, I guess. We'll see. Daishan, hey, 180 left in my account on my XFA. Is it smart to do 4 micro? No. No, it's not smart. 1 micro. 1 single micro. Daishan. 1 micro. Hey, Ollie, good morning. And Jacques again, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome me. What? GC? What? What is that? Stop up. All right. Casino. Yeah, no problem. No problem. So low probability trade. Looking for that. My TP is 592. It's hard to wait for the whole move. I see. Well, the problem is, I mean, there's no problem with the 4 micro. It's good, but the problem is that you don't really have too much of a drawdown. So if you go in with 4 micros, for example, you can be out from the trade in 10 points. I mean, 10 points is easily done by NQ. Even just a spike can get you out instantly. So you have to make baby steps. But hey, it's up to you. It's your decision. Or maybe you can end it. You can end the suffering by just going in, get over with it and, recalibrate your brain and start over. That's also a possibility. It depends what you want. Do you want to get rid of the pain? Or do you still want to fight? Because going in with 4 micros with $181 of drawdown left, it's technically a gamble, but I understand completely. Six a.m. UK time. That's already passed. I mean, yeah, it was in right here. Yeah, this was the area. Yeah, I completely see what you mean there. But anyway, it's too late for me. It's too late. I'm already in this. FYI, this here also a bullish order block. So we have a chance to break the 617. We'll see. Can Quantower is a static is Quanta what? Can Quantower is static? It's static. I don't know what you mean there. Static platform. Is Quantower a static platform? Yeah. Quantower is yeah. I mean, it's stable. It's what you're asking. Is it stable enough? Yeah. I mean, it's reliable, stable, good to use it. No issues so far. NinjaTrader is good too, by the way. Sometimes I think about trying NinjaTrader again to set it up and just see how smooth the execution is. You hold the whole screen, doesn't change, it goes like waves, so it's hard. To move the chart. Well, you can use Quantower like you put it in a fixed position, so you won't be able to move it, but you can also change it very easily, the size and the placement on the screen. But just like with NinjaTrader, I mean, past 2 end of day drawdown. Oh, let's go, Bowser. If the market is failing, you don't know where is the bottom. I see. Or top. That's true. That's true. Marco, good morning. Good morning. And Reza is here. Hey, the man of the hour. What's going on, Reza? Hey. Yeah, I copy trade. But not all of the accounts. You know, try to separate them in small groups. Oh, thank you, Reza. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you. That is awesome. And by the way, speaking about TickTickTrader, they have a sale, but only on Project X. The 50K instant funded account, there is a 40% discount. If you use the Tom Sabo 50 code on the 50K account, but only for Project X platform. So I don't know, I think the final price is 340 ish or $50 for instant funded account on the 50K. Just saying. Move the screen left or right? Yes, I can. I mean, look at this. I'm gonna move it here. You see? I can move it however I want it. This is Quantower. The only issue is that now, okay, I can put it back here. Okay, now I have to move it back because my screen is cropped. A little bit to the right. There. Should be okay now. To the left. Okay, there you go. Now it's fine. Chart screen? Yeah, sure. There you go. I can move the chart screen however I want to. Down there, I would consider that. So let me go to trading. Sometimes it's easier to do the charting on TradingView. So this is just the 1 minute, so that is why it's ultra low probability. Okay. We have an Asia low down there, so that gives me a little bit of courage, but this would be a demand area. It's picking up liquidity from this gap, shifting structure up there. And this was Asia market open here, spiked down, created a low. I would say it could be a good draw on liquidity. Obviously, also on the top, there are very, very good targets. on the top. So not my favorite zones on the top, that's for sure. But hey, everybody wants to go finally to the new week opening gap, so that might as well just happen any second. So we'll see. We'll see. No problem. Good morning, Libin. Hey. This is for you. All right. Kirk, hey there. Oh, you seen what you need. All right. I got Rhythmic, but I also being connected to CQG. So I have multiple connections right now on MyFundedFutures is connected through CQG. The rest of the ones that I use here are connected through Rhythmic. So that's the good thing in Quantower. Yes, they do. I mean, I'm not sure how far back, to be honest, because I do the back testing on TradingView, but I'm not sure how much time in the past, but they have quite a lot. Pinion Mendez, hey, good morning. Yeah, this platform is pretty good. I like the best thing why I like Quantower is that it's super easy to switch between the prop firm accounts, and it's very easy to copy trade them because it's built in. So everything is like a built-in function. The only thing is that it costs $30 per month for the advanced feature to do this, but you know, it has also a lot of stuff included in that $30 fee. So I'm paying that $30, and I can connect to multiple connections, multiple prop firms at the same time. So, oh no, this trade is going against me. Why NQ? Other than this, I don't really have a plan what to go for here. If it's shifting structure, maybe I would be looking for the previous day high up there. Maybe. Sure. If I bring up to 500, should I take? No, Daishan, don't touch the minis. Don't touch the minis, at least until you're not up to $2,000 or $3,000. Do not touch the mini. Michael, good morning. Did I say good morning to Michael? I don't know, but good morning. And with no fear, good morning. On a tick chart, Ninja Trade is like 3 days. I don't know how long it's here, but in the range chart as well. They don't provide historic data. Ah, I see. I like Quantower over NinjaTrader Desktop. Yeah, Quantower is pretty smooth. I think it takes a bit used to it, like every platform, but once you're in it, it's like it's easy to understand. Yeah, minimum 4,000. I see. And also the advanced features, I'm not sure. There's a discount code also in the description. If you click on it, it might give you a $3 discount from the advanced features, but sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. I have a discount link for it, but if it's not working, then it depends on if they do a promo or not. I don't know. Sometimes it goes for 27 bucks. Oh man, not looking good. It's not looking good. No problem. Yeah, only day trading so far. Maybe I would be open for swing trading in the future. Uh, because obviously that would be less stressful, I think. No, I didn't. I didn't. I did not. Oh, definitely. Definitely. Exactly, Jacques. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to figure it out. Exactly. Exactly. The best thing to do here, which I didn't do this morning, is not to go too much on the 1 minute chart. Best to stay on the 5 minute and higher, 15 minute, to spot some more reliable zones. Now here, for example, I'm afraid that this gap has been inverted on the 5 minute. I'm still not sure. The only thing is that I don't see. The problem is I do see. Yeah, so there is a zone here as drawn liquidity right up there. I think I'm closing my trade with a small loss here. Oh man, because this one has been inverted. I might close my trade. I totally forgot that we have a zone here. $42. But that's only 10 points. So I'm closing it, I think. That's at 59. Yeah, we might go back to the midnight area. What a shame. I close it. I closed it. I closed it. Close the trade. I'm flat. I am flat. Had to close it. I just had to close it. I should have entered here. That could have been a good entry. You know. Where does it open? The open price of this is 59.70. No, sorry, 59.75 on this one. On this one, it's 60. All right. It wants to test it, I think. Do you keep one chart at a time on Quantower? Are you right? I have multiple charts. I have a screen on my left which has 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 hour time frame on Quantower. So, good morning, Marco. Welcome. Casino is only up. You're short, but I expect. Yeah. Look up 250 on that move. Let's go. You trade better. Awesome. Well, I just had to close it now. I did not feel comfortable. I forgot one thing. This is a bearish order block here. Totally forgot it. And it's on a higher time frame, so it's on the 5-minute. And I'm talking about this candle here. Which could be like this one could be testing that level, and that's why I'm a little bit I got a little bit concerned about the trade earlier. So the perfect entry for this could have been here if I wanted to go for it. Like, yeah, something like this. Stop would have been at 31-ish, but I messed it up. I wasn't really watching the 5 minute. I don't know how I didn't see that. I'm not saying we will go there for sure, but that is definitely an order block. Shifted structure down there, has to be some orders. If it's not going there, it's still fine. It's all right, but that kind of confused me. So it is what it is. There's a gap as well. Yes, on the 1 minute. This is the 5 minutes, so we have a gap too. Could be a good draw on liquidity if this one wants to push it, but not sure. Yeah. All right, might be turning down here. Kind of looks bearish. This candle looks a little bit bearish now. We still have the 591 down there. I wonder if it wants to go for it. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, is this turning around here or what? On the 5 minute, it looks like a bearish turnover. Gold took off, yeah. Gold definitely took off. Anyway, we're gonna wait for what's gonna happen. We have news only at 9 a.m. Spanish CPI. Nothing else here. Spanish CPI news. Let's see if this one wants to test that order block right there. Sure. MyFundedFutures. Hold on a second. Quick question. Sorry, just a quick phone call. So yeah, TradeFi straight to funded accounts. Do you know if they have buffers for withdrawals or just trade for 10 days? I think you have to reach the buffer, which is $25 or $2,600 on TradeFi. So first you need to reach the buffer, and then you can withdraw from the safety net. To be completely honest, Naomi, I totally got off track with TradeFi recently because I still have my funded account on the Tradeaway platform, but I haven't really traded with them, and they had in this December they made some changes. I wasn't really up to date with them. In fact, so much I wasn't really trading them. I actually took them off from the banner list and affiliate link list. I mean, I do have an affiliate link for them, so you can use it, but I'm not really using them right now because I'm focusing on Take Profit Trader too much and MyFundedFutures. But to be honest, I think that you have to go over the safety net. So first you have to reach the safety net, and then you can withdraw from that. So let's see what's going on here. Well, just waiting here, just waiting. Yeah, no problem, Naomi. I'm 90% sure that you have to reach the safety net. You cannot make a withdrawal. But I guess I will have to look into it because I need to trade that account too. It's in a drawdown, like negative $1,200 or $1,100. So I need to push the button because it's going to be deactivated. Why take profit? Well, I'm not banned from TopStep so recently I can trade with them. There are several reasons in their JIT, and I'm going to be as transparent and honest as I can be. First of all, there is one thing, and it's not just because of affiliation. The micro to mini conversion at TopStep is bad. I don't want to trade on the Project X or TopStep X platform. I just simply don't, because I like to trade on Quantower. Now, if I choose Quantower as a platform on TopStep, the micro to mini conversion is 1:5, which means I can only, on a funded account, I can start with 2 micro, which is good, which is awesome, but I don't really like it. Anyway, that's one thing. I don't like that. I don't like, the payout policy is good, but the $200 per day counts as a trading day. It's a little bit too much pressure on me. And also, you know, you can withdraw up to 50% of your profits, which is still good. It's awesome. And lastly, whoa, the Mexican John Wick. What is the best advice to pass evals? Just a second. I just finished here this sentence. Thanks for the $2 tip here.
What is the best advice to pass evals?
Evils. I'll be right there with you in a second. So, and lastly, but you know, not mainly, TopStep basically stopped affiliations, pretty much, and YouTube is my other business here to make a living from affiliate commissions. I'm not a consistently profitable trader. I do make a lot of mistakes. I'm still not profitable, not even overall profitable. So I spend also a lot of money on evaluations and activation fees. Without the affiliate commissions, it would be hard for me to be here full time. And since TopStep stopped the affiliate promotions or kicked their affiliates, I find Take Profit much more reliable in this case because they do respect their affiliate program. I like to trade with them because the payout policy is awesome. So payouts from day number 1. No questions asked. No daily loss limit. Oh yeah, daily loss limit at the TopStep on if you're not trading on Project X. No daily loss limit, and they're also well established in the business for a few years now, paying out everybody. No issues or whatsoever with Take Profit Trader. I think there could be one of the biggest out there. So these are the all many reasons that steered me in the way to say that I like Take Profit Trader better than TopStep. That being said, I think TopStep is absolutely OG and a great prop firm. I think they're awesome, but these are the many reasons I steer more to Take Profit Trader. Most likely the payout policy and the micro to mini conversion, and the no daily loss limit is definitely a game changer for me. All right. That is not good. Yeah. So what is the best advice? Depending on which kind of evaluations. So cheap evaluations or more expensive ones. If we're talking about cheap evaluations, when, for example, Bulenox or Apex does a sale, I go crazy. I know it's not a good thing. It builds bad habits, but I do crazy stuff which I shouldn't do. And how to put this? Just a second. I have to check on something real quick. Okay, I'm all right. So on the cheap evals, sad to say it, but I go full port. Okay, I buy 3 accounts at Bulenox, option 1, because I don't like the daily loss limit. Obviously, I'm talking against myself because that saved me on MyFundedFutures. But 1 out of 3 I can pass if I go full port. Not even full port, but going with 3-4 minis on a trade. Obviously, it has to be a proper setup. So I can pass at least 1 out of 3. Now, if there's a sale, I can buy, obviously, 3 evaluations on a price of 1 Top Step Combine account, for example. So if I can pass 1 like this, because it's 1 day pass, it's okay, right? So the same goes with Apex. Now with the pricey evaluations, pricier, I mean like MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, and all the ones that, you know, usually Tick Trader and all the others have like $80 to $90 evaluation accounts, right? Except Top Step, I know. But with them, I try to go also with higher risk. But for example, I risk about $300 to $400 maybe on a trade. That's the maximum. $300-400 per trade. And I try to go for at least 1.5 or 2R. And yeah, one more thing. Because I absolutely much more aggressive on those evaluations. I'm not really, you know, moving my stop. I'm not really trailing it. I let it play out. So I'm going for the full TP. It helps a lot for the full TP. Yeah, thank you, Interjit. Apex cost 33. Yeah, if there's a sale on Bulenox, you can get them for 15, 16, or 17 or $18. You know, I'm a crazy guy, not a chill. Don't try this at home. I do crazy stuff. I'm crazy. I do crazy stuff on the cheap evaluation account. And it's actually not good because we were talking about this the other day. It builds bad habits. It's building up bad habits, especially if you do it on the same day when you trade on your funded accounts. It's not good. But thank you, Michael. I do appreciate. Michael is my publicist, so thank you, Michael. Yeah, I think Michael is going to be officially my publicist. You're welcome. You're welcome, Juan. John. I'm going to call you John. But that's how I would do, and I do it the way like that. So, for example, now on I do have a Tick Trader account evaluation. I'm doing this. I started this a week ago, and I'm up $1,500 on this Tick Trader evaluation account. I also have this Take Profit Trader account. I have other ones too, but I don't want to show that because they are blown. So don't ask me why. All right, that's a secret. Okay, NDA. No. Also up. Now these 2 accounts are copy traded, and what I do here is basically I do the same thing on these accounts what I do on the funded accounts, except I double the risk with the copy trader. So I try to double the risk, and it goes well, actually. So it's an interesting project. So, you know, I doubled the risk, and while I gained like $700 or $800 on my funded accounts, this one went up $1,500 in a week. And I think it's a good strategy. Just a little bit of a pointer of what I'm cooking here, but I don't like it. No. Yeah, 3 mini on a 50k is too much. I think 1 mini is more than enough. Now, what I would like, for example, Top Step to do, and I would gladly take on a combine account with them, is, for example, do the micro to mini conversion properly, not just on Top Step X, but all the other platforms. They can do it. Last time, they said it on Top Step TV, and I'm going to just say it out. I think they're straight lying. I'm sorry. No disrespect against Top Step. They're awesome, but they were straight up lying on Top Step TV. They said on Top Step TV, oh, we cannot really do the micro to mini conversion on other platforms because it's a little bit complicated. We have to get in contact with the technical department and the risk department, and we have to get in touch with Quantower. And so yeah, it requires a little bit of modification in the code and in the system. That's bullshit. I'm just saying. That's straight up bullshit. That's what they said on Top Step TV. That's straight bullshit. That's BS. It's just one click, boom, and now micro to mini conversion is done. That's how easy it is. Okay, we return to that. So until they're not doing it, I'm not considering trading on Top Step because I don't want to trade on Top Step X. And that's it. That would be awesome. And no need for more than 1 mini, maybe 2 mini maximum, but 1 mini more than enough on a funded account. But let the traders be able to trade with 10 micros. That would be great, I think. On a 50k account, for example. So good morning, Alex. Hey, GL, if I take 100k account by take profit, is the 4,000 drawdown? Yes. Yes, until you lock in your safety threshold, GL. So you lock it in. It's going to be, you mean on the funded stage, right? It's going to be per day. Yeah. What's the brief explanation to pass Apex to get paid out? Because I hear people. I see some people yesterday as well. I got message that someone got approved on Apex. The basic thing is, and that's what I did bad as well, is that don't let any particular trade exceed the 30% limit of your maximum loss limit. So for example, here's an Apex account. So for example here, this Apex account, this Apex account has $3,693. 30% of that is $1,107. Now if I go crazy on this account, if I go absolutely nuts on this account, I should not leave a trade open for a bigger drawdown than $1,107, right? That's the rule. That's it. Well, that's what you should go with. Until you're not reaching the safety threshold, which is $2,600. That's 2,600 times $780. So if you're trading on a 50k account, one trade should not exceed this drawdown. That's it. That's a soft rule. That is why people are getting denied most of the time. I mean, 90% of the time, this is the reason. But it's super easy to bypass, because if you're still certain in your trade, then close it with the less drawdown. You know, close it with 500 drawdown. If you're still crazy enough to go in after a $500 loss on a 50k funded account, then go in again. But don't wait for one trade. I did the same mistake. Don't wait for one trade to exceed that. You know, just don't wait for it. The worst thing is to overcome the bad habits. Yo, definitely. I agree, Alex. Yeah, Naomi said it right. Just pray. Or you can just pray. Hello, Teacher FX. What's up? No problem, GL. 1 minute is different risk in every session. Yeah, oh, definitely. And it also depends on the wick, so it's not. Yeah, that's true. To say that's my fixed. Yeah. I'm just saying that is why I would like to see, for example, I mean, like to see Top Step to fix this micro to mini conversion. So obviously, I mean, I see other traders on YouTube as well who are trading fixed contract size. Doesn't matter what the price action is. If the market is moving heavy or slow, doesn't matter. They're still trade with the same exact, for example, mini, 1 mini or 2 mini, whatever. That's absolutely great. No problem with that. It's just I think it's a lot of pressure, especially if the market is, we have heavy volatility. I think that's a lot of pressure. I couldn't handle that. So we are definitely in the need to be able to trade with micros, so you can freely adjust your risk. It's much easier. The big game changer for me was when I sized down to micros. That was the absolute game changer for me. Help me find a setup to full port. We should be breaking 65, by the way, but don't go full port. It's not financial advice. We have this bearish order block or supply area. This candle here, 1 a.m. candle, 5 minute. The top is the daily high, 65 actually. A few points higher. It's not. The range is too small, so don't do it anyways. This should be broken. I was stupid to think about it to enter a trade before the stream around here because I wasn't paying attention to this candle. This is clearly a bearish order block or supply area. I should have seen that it wants to go higher. But anyway, it's spilt milk under the bridge. So anyway. If you scalp the momentum, that may work. But just scalp. Exactly, Michael. Yeah. If it's a good firm, but they want to F with your psychology. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. And all the prop firms basically just never forget. Well, this can understand. This is not a fight. All right. Thank you, John Wick. So, just to be clear, it doesn't really matter which prop firm we talk about. It can be Top Step. So, for example, when this video came out from Kellyanne, from that leak from Apex from last year, 2024 March, when they were changing the rules, and how their CEO is talking about what kind of emails should you send by breaking the good rules, blah blah blah. First of all, I don't see anything special in that video. Second of all, the same exact similar conversations are happening, or similar conversations are happening at all of these prop firms, including Top Step, whatever, because they are profit-orientated companies. Capitalism, capitalism, profit orientation. Prop firms, they want to make money on failed traders. Their primary goal is not to help traders, but to protect more money and how to make more money. To protect their capital and to make more money. That's their primary goal. Secondary goal, or maybe third in the list, is to maybe filter out good traders and copy trade them. But trust me, they're not making their big money from copy trading the best of the best traders. Anyway, it's just my personal opinion. So, anyway. How many micros you trade at a time? NKM usually. On a London session, I can go 3, 4, 5, 6. because the distance is smaller to the stop loss, according to the stop losses. But in New York session, you know, usually 1 or 2 micros, because in New York, if there's like normal, quote unquote, normal volume, you know, and I don't really risk more than $150 on a funded account. You know, $100 is like 50 points with 1 micro, 25 points with 2 micros. Now, or something like that. Now, 25 points NQ in New York session is 2 seconds if it wants to, right? So usually 1 to maybe 3 micros. Usually depends on where's my stop, and that's it. Depending on the stop. Oh my god, I have to do. I'm sorry about Streamlabs. I modified the timeline and everything, but it keeps spamming with the links. Yeah, so we broke that 65. Now, the interesting thing is, and we're still not at London Open. I'm gonna show you guys something here. Look at that. Boom. Open up this candle is 42.50 on the micro. Look at this 5-minute bullish order block ready to be taken out, going down to Asia low. Now that liquidity has been swept, if you want to dive down to the 1 minute, wait for a structure shift, target 42 and the lows, and then leave a runner for 592. Just saying. That's a good strategy, in my opinion. Yo, finally someone calls me Big Boss. Wet milled. Miss you too. Where have you been, man? Best traders rotate accounts. So how can you copy them? I rotate, like I'm not copying all the accounts. I'm copying them in like small groups, like 2 or 3 accounts in a group. That's how I do it. So, for example, I have 10 funded accounts. I divide them into small groups, like 3, 3, 3, or something like that. You can change it. And if one group is not doing so good, leave it, move to the next group of accounts. And if you're in a drawdown or reaching your mental stop on that group, then just leave that group alone and move to the next one. To copy trade all the funded accounts together, I think that's an enormous stress, especially for a non-consecutively profitable trader or not a profitable trader like myself. That's an enormous stress, so I'm trying to avoid that. Let's just say that. I'm trying to avoid to copy trade all the accounts. I did that sometimes, ended up bad. Too much stress. Oh, thank you, Saucy G. Thank you for joining. Good to see you back. Good morning, Tommy Me. Big boss. You see? You see? That's how it works. Busy with work and family. I understand. I understand completely. Completely. Always good to see you. Wet milled. I'm gonna call you sometimes Matt willed. Has elevated risk and can cause huge losses. Oh yeah, risk disclaimer. Thank you, Michael. As I said, Michael is a publicist. Thank you for. Yeah, today is gym. So after the stream, leg day. Today is gonna be leg day. Thursday is leg day. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I don't want to. I hate it. I have to go. Oh man. Leg day. I hate leg day. Ah, anyway, it will be fun, right? It will be fun. Oh, chest today, nice. I'm gonna have. I had chest on Tuesday. On Friday, tomorrow, I'm gonna have biceps and triceps. Yeah, you know, tomorrow. But today is leg day. Uh, what can we do? Nothing beats squats. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Hey, Red. Good morning. By the way, I just started to go to the gym not too recently, so like a few weeks ago. But and it's not so at this point. I think it's really good. I mean, I feel definitely better going to the gym, especially after the gym. So if I finish up in the gym and then I get home and I do the things around the house, I just feel much better. Not just in trading, but outside of trading. You know, it's a much better feeling that hey, I was in the gym. It's all good. You know, positive energy. It really gives me a lot of positive energy. And by the way, don't worry, I'm just not taking trades because I have no setup to go into. I have nothing to take here. Just a quick look at gold. Yeah, gold is going up. So the reason why I'm talking about all this stuff because there's no setup. Nothing I want to jump into. I'm waiting for a shift maybe to the downside and then take out this, but I'm waiting. Do you trade the FOMC? No, I did not. I did not. I did not. When I hit the 20k sub, why wouldn't I remember you guys? I want you guys to stick with me and never leave me. I'm begging you. Never leave me. Please. I'm taking off my glasses. I'm begging you. Don't leave me. Ever. Alright? Please. Thank you. Alright. I had to. I got it off my chest now. Don't leave me. So. I'll start the gym also end of February. Nice. Well, hopefully the channel will grow. Oh, thank you, 1 week. Whew. That was a close one. Ah, thank you, GL. Always, thank you. I just realized that you trade opposite direction of order blocks. Yes, exactly. Finally, somebody is saying it. Ollie, you are the first one pointing this out. Actually, I told this once, and not just once, a few times. I always say, remember, order blocks meant to be broken. And I'm trading, you know, I'm trading in the direction of the order blocks, the opposite direction, sorry. I'm trading towards them, which is cool. I don't want to jinx it, but most of my profit came from trading against the order blocks. So it sounds weird, I know, but hey, there's 1,000 ways to do this, or 10,000 ways to trade this market, right? And I'm gonna narrow it down a little bit more. I'm in the past weeks, even in December, I was talking about this. November, I was talking about this. I am diving more and more into supply and demand, which is exactly the same as order blocks. Sorry, Michael. It is exactly the same as order blocks, supply and demand, okay? I don't know who was first. Who struck first? Was it the order blocks or was it Michael? Michael would say, that's BS. He is the ghost in the machine, so He created order blocks, thus he created the supply and demand zones, but that doesn't exist. Are we in the matrix? We are. So if we are in the matrix and this is just a video game, then we can do whatever we want. So that being said, I'm trading supply and demand as well. Yeah. All right. Yo, hello teacher FX. Thank you for the W's. Wular. Thank you, Marco. Oh, thank you, Michael. My publicist will stay. Okay. It's the same thing. Get ready. Oh. To be honest, after using ICT more than a year, I think trading is easy. Just do simple things like breakout and fake out breakout and flags. Also very true. Yeah, Reza, very true. I'm watching the bullish and bearish flags. I'm not trading them really, but I do watch them. Oh man, I'm tempted to jump into a short here. Ah man, I'm tempted to jump into a short. I want to jump into a short. I don't know, I'm not gonna. But I want to. We have the London Open here. Maybe I'm gonna take it on a evaluation. Not sure. What's this gonna do? Just a second. I want this to tank. All right, jumped in. Small position. My stop is at 82. And what I am doing is, just give me a second. Just a second. No, 81. 81 would be my stop. 81? Yeah, 81 is all right. And I don't even know what I'm doing here. I'm going to go down to 593 and take off one position at, I don't know, somewhere here. Uh-oh, it's going up to my stop. It's only on evaluation account, so I thought that this is gonna tank. Where is it? Here it is. Oh my God. It's gonna make a new high. Too late. Too late. I'm already down 32 bucks on this dollars on this evaluation. Take profit trader, Eval. Anyway, it's not short. Yeah, I think so too. Anyway, so yeah, it's as you said, Reza, it works. The simple things do work. I jumped. This is not unfunded account. So this is only on evaluation. Super risky. I thought we were gonna tank based on the 1 minute chart. It's not going for it. So it's not going to take that out. You know, I thought that maybe, but it's gonna take the high at 81. Unfortunately for me, no problem. Should I do it? Yeah, maybe, Michael. Gotta keep it simple. Yes. It's going higher. Yeah, I think so too. I was expecting the thing I was expecting, and that's why I only took it on evaluation. I was expecting as I was watching the candles printing on the 1 minute chart on Quant Tower, it was hesitating a little bit here. So I thought that, you know, there was this tiny little fair value gap. right there, and I thought, okay, this could just dump from here, but it's just gonna squeeze higher, unfortunately for me. I'm waiting for shorting. Yes, yeah, let's go. Hey, Anna FX, hello from Frigi. Good to see you back. You're long on gold. Yeah, you were trading gold the other day. Only long today? Yeah, obviously everybody wants to see that new week opening gap being closed. Oh yeah, look at gold. And the 28 level, I think it's a 1 hour level. No. It might be not. 15-minute maybe? 2809, yeah. 2809. Could be broken. Good for the longs on gold. I didn't have an entry. It wasn't my... Oh, I think I'm out. Yeah, I think I'm out. I'm out. Am I out? Yes, I'm out. No. What's the damage? What's the damage? Oh my god, I am down $72 on the Stake Profit Trader evaluation and also on the Tick Tick Trader evaluation. $73.40. That's too much. I can't take it. All right. Previous day high right here. I'm not doing anything with this until I don't see something different. Dakota Life says it's short. This is the fake out. I was talking fake out shorts and move back higher. Oh. But it's on evaluation account, Naomi. It's on evaluation. I wouldn't be touching the funded account on a trade like this. So this basically it was only based on instinct, you know, like, oh, nice little long wick, we should dive lower. I wouldn't do this on especially in London in a funded account. So no. This was just basically based on feelings. But yeah, it's pushing higher. Kirk, hey there. Yeah, it's moving higher. Maybe we have a short move and it hit the... Oh, yeah. It's gonna hit the 60. Actually, I was so stupid by not watching for ES. It's gonna hit the... It's gonna hit the 6100. As long as it goes, NQ is gonna take previous day high, which is actually a London high from yesterday. That's pretty significant. I could maybe scalp it, you know, scalp for like 10 points. What do you guys think? London Open still could have some momentum here, but it could also just boom, go down. That's a swing failure. Look at that. It's going to take that 97. What is happening? Need more sleep. Hey, see you in New York. Reza, thank you for dropping in. Have a good one. See you later. And down we go, hopefully. I like to see this one shifting to the downside again. I really like to see that happening. Zando, hey. Is this manipulation or distribution? Good question, right? I'm honestly not too good on that power of 3 concept. You know, if I go to the 15 minute, I would say this could be accumulation. This could be manipulation. And so this could be distribution, right? But if I go to the 5 minute, or let's just go to the 1 minute. The 1 minute, I have no idea. 1 minute, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I mean, ICT says the power of 3 is everywhere, even on the 5-second chart, even on the weekly chart. It's everywhere. So, but if I look at the session as a whole, the London session, if this is the manipulation, distribution can be going lower, and Friday is going to be the rally time. So we could be going down to 591. I like to see the 642, by the way. I'm going to jump into a short as soon as I see a possible sign of reversal here. So it's hard to say, Zando. Hit the like button. It will increase your win rate at least 5%. Confirmed. 50% of the time, every time. Just saying. You're long. Okay, so we're pretty much close to 697. There's no sign of reversal here. Picking up liquidity from this fair value gap, it could be a good position to go long for a scalp for like 14 points or something. So, you know. Also, this gap here could be my entry to go short. Where is the first gap? This is actually the first gap after London Open, or we can call it, oh no, there is one more here. So if this one is trading lower, I might enter a trade. If it closes lower than the gap. I don't even know if it's correct like this. Okay. I might going to enter a trade. I want to see how it's going to close. Yo, Akram, good to see you. You guys are going long for the top. That's cool. And I'm gonna go short. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Evaluation accounts jumping into a short. All right. Risking $60 on this trade. 42 is going to be my first target. Okay, enter the short based on this inversion. Looking to take out 51 actually. So we'll see. Don't do what I do because I'm actually a real idiot. So I'm just shooting blanks here. Evaluation. I wouldn't take this trade on a funded again. Uh-oh. It's a bull flag. Super close to the all-time high. I mean, the all-time high, yesterday's high, and it has every possibility to push it once more to 700. The only hope I'm having is that this is the manipulation and then it goes down. So what I want to say to you guys is that I'm doing this for you. For you, everybody who is long. I'm doing this for you guys. So the market can show me the middle finger, you know. Like, there you go, Tom. We're going to push it to 700. So this is for you. I'm taking this for you. Oh yeah, Bowser tried to tell us, but Michael FX says it's a short. Yeah, there's a huge gap. We know absolutely. That's why everybody's gonna push it there. Cloud says it's a sell. Well, it's technically I did a sell, but the problem is we are super close to yesterday's high. You know, as you can see. That's gonna happen. Oh no, you can't. I can't go. I can't do crazy stuff too much on these evaluation accounts, and I don't know why I did this, but I can't do it. I have to respect the process, and if I lose this trade, I'm gonna be down like $150 on the evaluation. I have to respect that. So. I can't lose more on a crazy trade because this is a crazy trade. Yeah, exactly, Michael. Good morning, Zach. Risky short, yeah. Previous day high is very close, yeah. Never mind. Oh man, it is what it is. I tried. It's for you guys. I told you. Yeah. I'm just gonna close this. I mean, most likely we're taking out that 697. It was so close. Squeeze incoming to 700. Confirmed, right? This is actually acting as support now. So I might even scalp it. I closed the trade, by the way, manually. I tried to scalp it. I'm trying to scalp it for 96.50. Oh my god. Almost. My TP is at 96.50. The high was at 96.25. How is that possible? If I zoom this out, it's much more stressful, right? It's a lot of stress when I do this. Right? All right. So I scalped it back. There you go. We have the... How am I looking right now? Okay, down only one. Why is this didn't work? Oh, because I didn't copy trade it. Okay, so the tick trader account is down. This account is up. So the take profit trader account, because I stopped the copy trader. Oh yeah, I know, that's why. So I managed to regain the losses on the take profit trader account. I'm in plus on the evaluation, but the tick trader account is left in drawdown because I did not copy trade it. Shame on me. Should have copy traded the tick trader account. Anyway, I tried it. Yeah, aim is it's buying. We love crazy, yeah. Too partial. Now let's see what's gonna happen. Hey Tender, what's going on? Too partial, let's go. It's only going up for 2.5 years non-stop when people are selling. Yeah. Yeah, and we're getting so close to this new week opening gap, 773. Maybe this will be it. This is it. Maybe this is it. Let it run. How much for the copy trader feature? It's $30 per month. $30. I mean, sorry. The copy trader is free as long as you're copy trading, for example, on the same prop firm. So if you have multiple accounts at the same prop firm, it's free. It's built in. It's free. But if you want to copy trade between multiple prop firms, then it's called multiple connection feature. Basically, it's not even called copy trading, and it can be purchased separately, so you don't have to buy the full package of Quantower because that's $70. You can purchase the advanced feature or advanced features add-on, which has the multiple connection. That's $30. There's a discount link below my stream for Quantower. Maybe, I'm not sure it gives you, but maybe it can give you $3 discount. So sometimes it gives you $27 if you purchase through my link. Not sure, but yeah. I think risk events with FOMC and earnings. Yeah, that could happen, Michael. Use range charts for entries. I just looked at your marked zone, went to 1 hour range chart and caught a perfect $30 scalp. Let's go with 1 micro. That's awesome. 800 overnight? What do you mean? You mean, are we going to go for 800? I mean, it's a nice round number. Obviously, we can go. Depends on how the rest of the session is going to go. You know, after London session, we can go sideways a little bit. Oh, I'm out of coffee. No more. That's it. Just like Replicanto at Ninja Trader. Whoever made Replicanto, they are killing it. They are farming money with Replicanto as well for Ninja Trader. Yeah, maybe. Oh, so that's why. Okay, never mind. My zone, that's why it okay. I'm not even going to look for shorts. I'm going to tell you why. On the mini, so if I look at this 5-minute candle, this is not a proper zone. Why? Because the heavier contracts are on the mini. This bearish candle didn't go lower, so this doji is the low candle. It's an ugly zone. I don't like it, so I'm not even looking. Or maybe I should, but not really. This would be a risky short. Obviously, it's bullish, so. Anas, good morning. Doing great. Good to see you in the stream. Are all your connections rhythmic? No, I have CQG with MyFundedFutures. And what else? Currently, I'm connected to Take Profit Trader, TickTick. Those are rhythmic connections. With TickTick Trader, you can also have CQG if you want to. I don't know why I choose rhythmic, by the way. I could have gone with CQG connection. So TickTick has both. That's MyFundedFutures is CQG, Bulenox, Rhythmic, Apex, Rhythmic. I have a Tradeify account, but that's on TradeAwait. And what else? That's pretty much it that I'm connected to. Yeah, and the top step account, which I don't have but I had, was also on Rhythmic. So let's see. Check on gold. Whoa, look at that. Gold entered in that area. That is only Project X. And yeah, so it depends on which account you want to go to. Currently, there's a discount on, the biggest discount on the direct accounts is on the 50K, but that's only for Project X. You can use the code TomSabo50 for the 50K direct account, but only it works for Project X. If you want to go with Trader Weight, then it goes from the 100K accounts. And you can try out the regular TomSabo code or TomSabo 250 because it gives you $250 discount on the 100K. So with TickTickTrader, it's a little bit more complicated code-wise because they're changing always. The main code gives you 35% on the instant funded accounts that I have, and it's for Trader Weight. But the 50K currently is for Project X only. Now, I don't know too much about Project X. It's basically Top Step X or vice versa. You know, it's the same company. Some people are saying it's awesome, but I keep hearing that the slippage is terrible. I don't know. I never tried it. So, how much more can gold and NQ go up? Well, I think gold can go absolutely to the stars, but NQ, I think NQ wants, I mean, the market is going to try to close that gap, or at least go into that 773 area today or tomorrow. It's gonna happen. So no problem. The Orienter. The Orient. Sorry, I butchered your name there. The Orient Earl. The Orient Earl. All right. Excuse me, I butchered your name. I'm sorry. Apologize. I apologize. What is your average risk reward? On average, it's about 1.5, 1.4. I try to aim for 1 to 2, but many times I got cold feet on the funded account, so I take partials or I move my stop or I try to trail it or close early. All that things, you know. And so as much as I try to hold it for 1 to 2 at least or higher, emotions always, you know, distract me. I mean, some of you guys used to see that I like to hold trades for a long time, for a longer term, like even for 2 or 3 hours if I have to, if I see a very significant zone. But if I look at the big picture, you know, if you take partials, no matter if your take profit is up at 1 to 2, if you take partial, your risk to reward is changing. So on average, at about 1.5, 1.4 would be the number. Yeah. A lot of slippage. Oh. Michael is only trading on X platforms. Don't have any problems, but I'm not in live accounts. I see. I will go to Ethos pretty soon. Yeah, everybody. I mean, I got some good comments on Ethos. They saying it's a good platform and it's also has a lot of features. On TradingView, you can see all the gaps that don't get. Yeah, I see the regular trading hours. Yeah. Oh, no problem. No, it's my pleasure to help out. Yeah, so regular trading hours. Here's regular trading hours. The price now is up here at 694 here. We are hovering in no man's land. Look at these gaps, regular trading hours. So price is now in the middle of nowhere. If the market would open right now, who knows what would happen, right? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh. But we have equity open in about 29 minutes. Satoshi, good morning. 25 points. Congratulations, Michael. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. This is how we do it. Okay, we see a bit of a pullback here. I don't know if it's gonna be a pullback or a structure shift. I'm again tempted to go short. I don't know why. I'm tempted to go short. Base hits. Yeah. That's the best. Turtle soup. Done for London. Congratulations, Satoshi. Congratulations. Zero chart. Then on the data feed plus rhythmic order routing is one of the most stable. Clean fills. Nice. That's good to know. Sierra chart. Denali data feed plus rhythmic. Okay. Thank you. Equity markets at 4 a.m. At 4 a.m. So in about 26 minutes. Failed breakout. Now let's just look at this a little bit closer on the 5 minutes. So we swept previous day high. Okay, that's okay. Could this be a possible inversion entry to target that very weak, but I'm going to call it weak. It's a weak demand area down there. I am thinking to enter another short. I'm crazy. You know how I am. I'm doing crazy stuff. If this candle is gonna close somewhere around the bottom of this gap, I'm gonna go super crazy again, and this time I'm gonna copy trade it to Tick Trader. Hey, I managed to get my drawdown back, so it's gonna be a market order, and I am gonna jump back to a short in about 3, 2, 1, boom, in a short trade, just like that. I push the button. I don't care about anything anymore. Who cares about tomorrow? Jumping in, locking my take profit into final TP. It's gonna be, let's go for 45. Final TP to 45. Who cares about tomorrow? Just go in. And that's the way it is. I am going to change back to the 5-minute chart. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, so good I got this out of my chest. It's official. It's official. Yeah. Hold on a second. Oh, hold on. Something's wrong with my OBS. What is wrong with my OBS? I have to do some settings. Anyway, I don't know. Something's up with my OBS. I don't see the screen. I have to check it on YouTube anyway. Yeah. So what was the question? Basis. The equity open is basically pre-market open. So it's a pre-market open. It's not the stock exchange open, but it's we can call it a pre-market open. Hopefully, yeah. 6-1 ES pullback or reversal. That's a good question, right? I'm gonna be hoping for that 645 here. Thank you, Satoshi. But I only scalp in London until the gap between London and Europe. Oh, I see. My mother always had a CR for scalp. Oh yeah, that's pre-market. Sorry, yeah, again, yeah. Earl, it's yeah, as I just said, it's pre-market open. Yeah, some call it equities, but okay, so here's the short. Now you know, Tudor. No shortcut home. Ruse, hey there. Hey. Enter long, he's short now. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Thank you. We're having fun. We're laughing. Maybe just I'm the one who's laughing. Or you guys are laughing at me. That's true. I'm not gonna do. I would like to do that. I would like to do the Rocky 4 song, but I had like several emails from YouTube, so I have to figure out that that virtual audio cable thing. Mostly on the over the weekend, I will have time for it to separate the sound on the VOD and on the live stream, so it's not gonna get recorded on the VOD. I have to do that. I messed up my computer the other day. I was lucky to be able to put it back to original. I messed up the sound settings. Everything was totally messed up. Now I have multiple virtual cables installed. I have a voice meter installed. Everything is messed up, so I don't even know how to do this. So no easy way out. Yeah. Well. Looks like this trade is definitely not gonna give me an easy way out. It's gonna give me the hard way out. The 3 minute, like, it kind of looks good, but there was no structure shift. Oh, look at that. On the 3 minute chart, look at this baby here. Oh, I like it. I like it very much. Let's zoom this out on the 3 minute. What do we have here? Oh, what's the high of this candle? 48.25. 48.75. All right. Confirmed. Let's look at this. Liquidity taken. Bullish order block. I'm just saying bullish order block here. Liquidity taken. Okay. Shifted. Continued the shift. This is it. This is it. 44. So my target is right there. Perfect. My TP is spot on. 645. I like it. I like this. This is good. I like it. Let's go. 3 minute chart. I don't really trade the 3 minute, but I love this area down there. Beautiful. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, come on. These are the traders who are long. It took me a while to find a picture. Okay. So these are the traders who are holding long positions and have their stops down there. Through speakers, that would be fine, but the sound quality is compromised. Oh, yeah. Such a pain. That's absolutely a pain. Yeah. Voice meter banana. Yes, yes, yes. I trying, but for me it's not just tricky. It's like for me you can I'm just like I'm lost. I'm totally lost to set that up. Just hit your lost $2. Oh no. Well, I watch football, but mostly the European Cup or the World Cup, so I'm not really following the teams and the games that much closely. I'm not watching, for example, the club games. Mostly like the big tournaments, like the European Cup or the World Cup. I'm watching that, but that's it. Oh no, this trade is not looking good. I was hoping that we will, you know, try to strike that level down there in the London session. Potato. Oh yeah, I also was thinking about the. I found a website that said I should use voice meter potato, but still, I don't know how to do it. I was asking for ChatGPT and also DeepSeek, and I tried everything. It's just not working. I installed virtual audio cable. I did all kind of. I even did a test stream the other day, and it's just not working out. It's not. I don't know. I know there are streamers out there who are doing it, and I don't know. Getting rid of full port, a gold short. Let's check on gold. Yeah, there's some good targets, but be careful. Careful. Still some levels up there. Oh no. This trade is not looking good now. So far, the gap is somewhat holding price down, but pretty much the same. Yeah, the output right. There should be lots of tutorial. Yeah, I found a few, so that's why I think I'm gonna have more time over the weekend to set it up properly. Which part? None of the parts are working. Actually, I was able to route the sound through virtual audio cable, so that part was okay. The input is okay through virtual audio cable. I don't want to go in it because I don't even know what I'm talking about. So, oh yeah, that would be awesome, Satoshi. If you can fly here, I would be grateful if you can do that. That would be awesome. No matter how I try to short this market, it's just not gonna do it my way. Oh man, I have to do something about Streamlabs. It's spamming at the same time. This should not work the way like this. They should be leaving like 10 lines or 12 lines in between conversation each and every one of these links. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do something about that. But when I do something different, it's like never showing up, or it just keeps spamming. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna try something different. What's it gonna be, NASDAQ? What's it gonna be, NASDAQ? Come on. Tell us what to do. Tell us what to do. You're short ES 699 with a tight stop. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we are in the macro time right now. All right, totally forgot that. that it's macro time. The great thing about trading right now is that Trump that's true. I agree. Ashev, it's good to see you. Bearish SMT with ES and equal lows on NQ mini. Okay, on the mini. Oh yeah. Let's see. So this inversion didn't really work out the way I wanted it to. Again. I can't keep fooling around like this. Even though I was lucky for being able to scalp back the take profit trader account to break even. This is not looking all that good. I was hoping for a nice little dumpage here, at least to the 50s. It's not happening. It's gonna keep pushing. Actually, we're so close to that gap up there. Maybe he wake up. You never know. He likes to tweet, right? He likes to tweet. He's the kind of president who likes to tweet. I saw that video when he was proving that he's actually tweeting. I mean, not him, but his assistant was typing like right blah 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 and this, and his assistant was tweeting. At least I'm not trading the fundeds. I mean, I managed to bring it back from that small loss earlier, but it's just gonna stay bullish. Yeah, above 700. This is doomed. This trade is doomed. Yeah, 710 is gonna be popped here. Good morning, MonoGeekSer. Good to see you again. I'm actually using a few, like I'm working on the Take Profit Trader and Tick Trader evaluations. I am funded with MyFundedFutures. You can have up to 3 accounts. I have 3 funded accounts. I have 4 funded accounts with Apex, 1 with Bulenox, 1 with Tradeify. I'm not really trading that nowadays. And my biggest goal is to get funded with Take Profit Trader right now and Tick Trader. So Yeah, kind of like separating or saturating, sorry, these saturated. I don't know what I know anyway. Diversifying, man. I can't talk this morning. I slept like 3 hours or maybe 3.5. Not healthy. I'm gonna sleep on the weekend to recover from stress. Yeah, that's a good thing. 1 week, sir. I'm telling you, that's excellent job. And you know, that's why I this weekend I'm gonna go on a road trip. Uh, you know, because you just need to take some time off, literally like away from the computer and enjoy a real world, the life, because even if you're on a winning streak, it's hard. And it's hard. You have to take some time off away from the charts and away from the computer, away from being inside. You have to go out to nature and do something. It really helps. Farming prop accounts, yeah. Gold breakout. Ooh, wow. We have that 28.21 as a 1 hour. Yeah, that's the high of a 1 hour supply area. Maybe it wants to go there. I might going to close this trade. I don't feel comfortable holding it. I think it's just gonna pop the top. That rhymes. Pop the top. Okay, that's kind of cool. I might save up a little bit of a loss here, but I don't know. Only on evaluation account this is, so nah, let's just leave it. If it takes the stop, let it go. Let it take the stop. Go touch grass. Pop the top. Oh, I have to make a phone call in a few minutes. I have to make a phone call. To market makers, tell them to dump it. Yeah, I'm gonna call them. You're out. Thank you so much, Ollie, for dropping in. See you tomorrow and see you in New York. If you can. Oh, tomorrow in London. Okay. Have a good one, Ollie. Thank you for dropping in. Yeah, ES is pretty much rough in London. It's like a little bit slow. All right, I have to take this phone call. Just it could take up a minute, but this trade is down the drain anyway. Don't go anywhere. They didn't pick up. I have to call the doctor, my mother's doctor. He told me to call him this morning, but he didn't pick up the phone. He told me to call him at this time. Yeah, but I also messaged the market makers to dump it. To dump this finally. Oh, right. This will be just fine. I can see that now. I can see that now. So this guy down here is now a little bit scared. This guy is long from here. Yes. You're giving me a chance to get out. That's true. I think the market is trying to give mercy. Like, all right, Tom, now you can get out and, try next time. And I'm saying, no, market, no. I'm just going to do my own way. I don't care. This little guy here on my shoulder says, "Oh no, we're gonna hold this trade. We're gonna risk it. We're gonna hold it, and we're gonna go full port on the funded accounts." I'm crazy, I know. The devil on my shoulder. Because of this guy. Yeah, he's the one. He's doing it. Look at that. How beautiful it is. It looks good, right? We're going down, everybody. Oh man, we need to have fun because trading is boring. So you're still short, and yes, all right. It's obviously a little bit of a risky trade here. It goes, yeah, I think so too. Honestly, I think it's gonna go to 592. No joke. It's not gonna be a personalized guarantee, but 592 is what I see, to be honest. 592. Maybe I should leave it on for 592. So this guy is cooked here. He's done. His stop is right here, but I'm not gonna hurt him. I'm gonna get out just above the zone. So take one off and leave a runner, maybe. All right. I am copy trading this onto evaluations, a tick trader and the take profit trader account. I'm not touching the MyFundedFutures account in the London session right now, especially after the FOMC. But as I said, one of the priorities is take profit trader, and I'll do my best to get those funded accounts. I think 645 is pretty much I think it's pretty much possible. 645 is not saying high probability, but I'm gonna say high probability. High probability target, I think, or we can say low hanging fruit, 645. Pretty sure about that. Final target, if I would be holding a runner, maybe just like GZ said, I like the round numbers, whole numbers, so maybe 601 would be the final. But I like the 645 as a low-hanging fruit. I like it. I really do like it. If it's gonna go up now and take me out, the one thing I will do is I'm gonna trim this segment from the stream, so like it's never happened, and there will be no proof that I said anything like this. That way, I'll still be safe. My reputation will still survive. Now my reputation is gone already, but I can still trim this segment when I said it's gonna go there. I think. Not sure though, but there's a function in YouTube where I can trim the VODs. I'm gonna do that. Super simple. Nobody would know. You know. I can actually trim the whole segment from the stream when I enter the short. And, you know, save myself some dignity, right? Yeah, my ego won't be damaged. Exactly. Which repeated, right? Right? Tamimi knows. He knows. Getting banned. Right. It's alright, Tamimi. Enjoy. Long from 669. 50% retrace from London. Yeah, could happen. Could happen. Long from 669. Alright. Alright. Long from 669. That's actually a good one. Let me check it for you so I can say you're wrong. Oh, you're right, actually. Hold on. Which one was it? London low to London. Oh, London low to London high. Oh, I'm stupid. All right. Let this guy. Okay, get this guy out of there. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Yeah. His name is Ashev's. Ban. All right. Thanks. You're right, Ashev's. Sure. All right. That's cringe. I'm just going to stop. Actually, that's a real good setup. It can go. It can go. Obviously, it will. It can actually go. Yeah, it's a pretty tough decision for me. Or I still say like the 645 is a very good target. Still in the London session, it has the potential to go down there. It has the time for it. But on the other hand, there is a lot of pressure from the bulls to take it finally steadily back to that gap, and it can just shoot up like crazy. This is here. This is now acting as a possible support area, strong with these highs. So yeah, the longs could prevail here. Anyway, flat candle on the 5-minute. This is actually creating a minor supply zone, but first it might take out orders from demand here at 645. We'll see. even this take of highs looks like the real manipulation. So maybe, and I hope following to 550, 500, and again goes up to, yeah, the TGIF, exactly. So very good point there from Pinion Mendez, Israel. That don't forget we have TGIF tomorrow, maybe, that's just a maybe, which means a nice little rally, you know, market saving up for tomorrow, who knows. Yeah, no top wick on the 15-minute here, which is also the new hourly candle. That's a strong level there. That's like a magnet. So no top wick on none of these candles, which is usually like a strong indication, especially, I mean, if it starts on the hourly, that and on the 4-hour too, I guess. No, not yet. So no, that it might gonna go higher, or should be taking that level. Question is when. Definitely dangerous to go short here. I was still hoping that it can go down for that that zone. I'm still hoping. That's a nice little 3-minute zone and the 5-minute zone right above each other. This 5-minute candle can be picking up liquidity from this gap. So yeah, exactly, Ashevs. Yes. Where's my calculator? I need to calculate some risk. Oh, here it is. You what now? Risk. So, talk with me. It will be attracted back up the top. Yes, yes, something like that, Naomi. In my understanding, and from my experience, it's just like, I mean, similar to those liquidity or unbalanced price ranges or liquidity voids, but so it's not a major indication. It's not like a major spot, but you know, when it lines up with the trend, so once you see the bullish signs and it starts to go, then it's definitely a good target, or at least for taking partials, or you know, when you're looking for confirmations, like okay, you're looking for your entry model, like I want to go long and to enter, you got your model and you look at the top of the wick, that's going to be an extra confluence, like okay, this has a good chance to get there. So yeah. Oh my god, huge applause to Spy Girl. Spy Girl, where have you been? Happy Lunar New Year. Yeah, you too. Doing great. Oh my gosh, when was the last time you were here? It was like in months ago, like last year, November. Who knows? I don't even remember. It was, wow. Good to see you. I said calc. Oh, calculator. Okay. Yeah, I tend to do that. Good to see you, Spy Girl. You're in Singapore. You feel special. Singapore, that is awesome. That could be beautiful. It's been a long time. Yeah. Super awesome. Crowds and celebrations. That is great. That is great. So good to see. Like, if those of you who don't know, Spy Girl is traveling all around the world, you know. She's just a traveling trader. Or a trader who travels. But she sent me some nice pictures last year. She was visiting some real nice places. That's awesome. Singapore. Very expensive. Flying out. So, well, which is expensive? For example, how the food is expensive? For example, I'm just curious. Is the food expensive, or the accommodations? So like renting a place. You know what I mean? I guess. Awesome. Thank you. Take your time. Don't worry. Thank you so much, Spy Girl. That is awesome. I'm so glad. Everything is expensive in Singapore. Oh yeah, girl power here. Food, rent, everything. Oh my god. Wow. Singapore is expensive compared to most other Asian countries. Wow. Owning a car here is crazy. I guess because of insurance and stuff. Maybe even, you know, to get it to the repair shop or something. Wow, that's interesting. So nice to hear from you. Oh yeah, Spy Girl was here last year a couple of times. I mean, she was always here, but she's traveling. Evaluations are expensive. Singapore. 3 times more because of tax? Wow. Really? A beer $34? What? That's crazy. Yeah, it's nice to have you back. $34. Wow. Really? Jeez. That is like, wow. For example, 3 testers, 14. What? Jesus. Uh-huh. I see. I understand. Wow. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's true now. It could be the thing. No problem. It's okay. City is super clean. Super clean. Nice. Income tax generally lower compared to EU. Chewing gums are illegal. Come on. My friend NQ, well, doing great. Sometimes nowadays I trade some on gold as well. I trade on gold too sometimes. So far slowly getting better. I think I can say it now, like slowly getting better on trading. Except for December, I took a payout in basically every month since June last year, which is a good thing, but you know, still a lot to go. And now I have 3 funded accounts with MyFundedFutures, aiming to get those from Take Profit Trader too. So yeah, yeah. Turns out one of the things that helped me is to size down my trades. So I'm going with micros most of the time and trying to hold it for longer. That really helped. Petrolina, hey there. This is on evaluation because I don't want to touch the funded accounts this morning. So, for example, this Bulenox account is at $2,000. This MyFundedFutures account is a milestone account. Instant funded account is up 900, but this one is ready for another payout, second payout maybe, almost at 2,000. And this other one is at 15. This one had the daily loss limit the other week, so I'm trying to get this back. The Apex accounts are doing good. $3,700 in profit. This one is at almost 3,000 in profit. This one is over 3,000. I'm gonna request payout from these soon. 3,200 in profit, and I'm fighting my way with this take profit trader evaluations. This one is up 1,600, and tick trader around 1,500 ish right now. A bit of a drawdown here, but that's it. And yeah. 28, yeah. So okay, if I drop my hot dog on the street, I'll pick it up and eat it. Oh, really? Come on. Really? Wow. Yeah, I guess for your style, you know, traveling, swing trading suits much better. You know, yes. Was beautiful on me. Wow. Sentosa Island. Yes, I have a paid plan. I pay $30 only for advanced features. It's $30. I have a discount link for it as well. I'm not sure if it's gonna give you a discount, but if you purchase by clicking through the link below the description of the stream, there is the Quant Tower discount link. You can maybe get $3 of discount. It's not always giving the discount, but you know, when you try to go to the purchase page, it might give you $3. But anyway, it's $30. I'm paying $30 per month, and you can connect to multiple prop firms with it, you know. Oh, thank you, Spy Girl. People are very happy there. Nah, well, you know, that's all that matters. Happiness, you know. Chicken and rice. Chicken rice. Chinese chicken rice is so good. Chinese chicken rice. I'm gonna look for that. Oh my god. I'm hungry now. Wow. I guess you can serve this many ways. Mmm. Looks delicious. Mmm. 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 It looks good. Oh my god, I have to eat. I have to eat. I need to eat something. Oh, I got super hungry now. So good. Went to a few hawker centers. Oh, now I'm super hungry now. Ah, okay. Okay. I have to eat something. I'm shutting down the stream and going to eat. I'm thinking to put this trade to break even, maybe. Sure. Said Beauty, maybe Kaku Thailand and Phu Quoc Vietnam. All right. Turkish and Arab food with the kebab meat fries. Oh my god. I need to eat. I need to eat. Yeah. Hey, Hubert, thank you for dropping in. Could you please explain your... Yeah, sure, sure. That's with all my heart. There you go. She's gonna help you out. She's recommending that good stuff. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna explain it, Hubert. Let's go. Liquidity grabber. Yeah. I live in Hungary, Center Europe. Sly Fox, thank you for dropping in. By the way, welcome to the stream in Hungary. Not Budapest, but not too far. So let's see why I took this trade. Okay. So first of all, Hubert, as you said, we swept liquidity higher. Obviously, everybody's aiming for that new week opening gap. The whole market wants to go long. Okay, everybody wants to go long, but we swept yesterday's high. And before I go short, I tend to look around like, what do we see here? Is there a good target? Now, many of you guys know by now that I look for supply and demand zones as targets or order blocks. Little secret there, supply and demand zones and order blocks are exactly the same. Exactly the same. Exactly, okay? That's supply and demand order blocks. Okay, so this is a bullish order block here on the 5-minute. Now the neckline of this at the body starts around 642.25, but if I go to the 3-minute, we can see another order block, and that's why this guy is so, you know, scared here, because, you know, that's a 5-minute bullish order block, but on the 3-minute, this is a 3-minute order block. Now the neckline of the 3-minute order block is at, it's actually not accurate, but it's at 44.25, sorry. Which means there is a double chance for the market to revisit that area and take this demand zone, right? So retail traders who are short here in this area are actually scared, like this guy, you know, this guy is scared. And I think lots of orders are resting down there. Okay, now the entry was actually this here based on the 5-minute. My entry was based on the 5-minute. It was just a super simple entry, nothing special. This was the strong bullish gap here, and this candle here at 3:30 inverted this gap. So liquidity swept, inversion and fair value gap, stop placed higher. Obviously it looked like it's gonna take me out there. And then it started to drop. And if it continues to drop, I think the low-hanging fruit would be just above the 3-minute demand area or bullish order block. I would like to see that being taken out. Also, on the 1-minute, there is a beautiful little swing low at 651. So that being said, I'm gonna hold this trade until 6:45. If I would be leaving a runner, I see a very nice 1 minute bullish order block or demand area on the 1 minute right here at 591. Now, why do I say this? Because here's the Asia market open at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard. Wick down, created an Asia low at 578. Now it started to go up and created a bullish order block or demand zone right here. Why? Because it's valid because it picked up liquidity and pushed higher. So if the target for the market is to squeeze everybody out from the long trades, I would say that I would be holding a runner. If I would, but I'm not gonna hold a runner. But it's not because I don't. Anyway, that's a long story. So if you guys are holding a runner, I would be holding it until 592, 93, 593. You know, just to make sure early profit taking can happen. Profit taking can happen. And so that would be the low to squeeze the long positions. And maybe tomorrow is going to be the TGIF. Thank God it's Friday rally up to the gap and close it down. But so far, this is my analysis of why I am taking the trade and why I am sitting in this trade. I'm going to take full position at this 6:45. I'm not going to leave a runner. Not that I don't think it's not gonna go down. I think it has a very good chance to take that level. 593 down there. Look at that. Beautiful level, 593. I'd like to see that. Come on. Okay. But I'm exiting here 6:45, and I hope you liked my analysis. Yeah. Did you saw these reels from that Asian guy who sells LED signals? No. My For You page. Oh, really? All right. All right. LED signs. Interesting. I'm going to check it. Explain it in one sentence. I took it because it swept the previous daily high, created an inversion gap, and there's a 3-minute and the 5-minute bullish order block down there, so I just entered, and that's it. Basically, that's it. I know. I'm crazy. Hey, Tyrol, Austria. No way, Hubert. Awesome. You know, we were spending New Year's a few years ago, New Year's Eve at the lake Achensee, you know, at Pertisau. We were in Pertisau, and it was so beautiful. I loved it there, you know. I just loved it. It's just amazing. It's a beautiful place. Explain in 5 words. Oh my God, all right. I'll try. Hold on. I'm just trying to put this. High sweep inversion order block target. There you go. 20 minutes away by car. Wow. Yeah, stunning views. I had such a good time there. We want to go back. We're talking about it since then. I am pretty confident that we're gonna take the 6:45. So yes, I want to go back to Pertisau. It was so beautiful there, so beautiful, such a nice place. And I think Austria has such beautiful places there. I really want to spend more time in Austria. I need to get a better car though, because my car is just almost almost. My Mazda is the problem is I think the Austrian police officers would see that the color is actually, you know, is taken over by rust. Maybe they would not allow me to drive on the highways. Come on. This always happens to me. Come on. Are you kidding me with this? I think my TP was missed with the low was actually one tick. It missed my TP with one tick. Thank you, Nasdaq. Thank you, Nasdaq. One single tick. It always happens. You know, guys. It always happening to me. Always. This is a joke, man. This is a joke. This is a joke. It's just, it's not even funny. I think it's not even funny. Why am I laughing? It's not funny. This is serious. It's gonna go down there. All right. Okay. I'm not worried. SIG 33 VWAP. 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 I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry. We're in this together. All right. This is it. This is what it's all about. All right. That was a good one. So, did we save these accounts? So the Take Profit Trader account is a little bit better now. 193. But the Tick Trader account is back from drawdown in $45. Yeah, profit. But hey, I love these accounts. You know why I love these accounts? Because finally, I'm doing proper risk management on an evaluation account. So I'm holding myself back to do stupid, crazy stuff. You know, what I did the other day, I blew up a Take Profit Trader account evaluation. So, I love trading. You know, I hate trading when I lose, but I love trading when I win. 50% of the time, every time. All right? I'm just saying, this guy here, this guy right there, he's sweating. I'm telling you, he's sweating down there. Because the low of that order block is going to be 37, and he's sweating now. Yeah, that was the music from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. That's Michael. That's an illustration of Michael down there. WW. Yeah, it was a nice trade. And we actually had a plan to do it. So we had a plan. The plan, you know, played out good. I really liked it. And so, yeah. You have a bit less hair. Well, maybe. I don't know. Oh, it's gonna drop. I think it's gonna take 30 38 for sure. I think so. Another 12 points in it, but the problem on the 3 minute, it still has a gap up there. It could be picking some more liquidity, but 38 is in the cards. And yeah, because the top of the other order block is at 42.25, but I think it can break this 38. So, or demand zone, I don't know what to call it, LP zone for the memory of Usman, but or Usman, but we can call it whatever we wanted. I like the, when I see this, doesn't matter which time frame, when I see this, I know it's a target. Or this, then it's a target. These are targets, basically. But I'm using the opposite way, these order blocks. All right. Cool. That being said, you know what, coming. I think I'm gonna call the stream here because that was a nice nice W for the end. I'm not gonna take more trades. I'm gonna be going to the gym to the leg day. It's leg day. leg day in the gym. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do leg day. I'm gonna cheat it somehow. I don't know. I don't want to go. It's leg day. Leg day. Anyway. Okay, so I'm off to the gym, everybody. I'll be back if I can in the New York session. Hope you guys can tune in. Please come back if you can. I'm begging you. I'll be back before the market open. So thank you so much for watching. As always, if you would like to support the stream, please use the Tom Sabo code for these prop firms that I'm trading with. And Tick Tick Trader has different codes for the 50k instant fund account. Use Tom Sabo 50, or if you want to go with the 100k instant, it's Tom Sabo. Anyway, still some good deals with Take Profit Trader, 50% off, no daily loss limit, and MyFundedFutures 20% off from Starter Plus 50k. Check it out. Thank you so much, everybody. Hope to see you back in New York. God bless you all. Okay. Thank you so much. Cheers, everyone.